Hey guys, it's Marilyn from Pilates on Hudson. Today I'm going to show you how to do a mermaid exercise from Pilates with a foam roller, and we're going to do both a side bending and back extension. So we're going to start sitting on a mat or reformer, your choice. Maybe an elevated mat on the floor. If you comfortably can, put your legs up sideways like I am here, with your right leg folded behind and your left foot at your right knee. Otherwise, you can sit both legs down, one leg, whatever's comfortable for you. But if you can, we're going to try and do this. So this is very similar to doing a mermaid on the reformer with the bar up. We're going to have the foam roller out to the side. We're going to reach our arm up and over. As we bend, we're just going to stretch on the foam roller, and then we're going to come back up. And do that again. Bend over to the side, long stretch, and come back up. And one more time, bend over to the side. Now we're going to add in back extension. We're going to rotate and put the right hand on the foam roller and the left hand goes wider. From here, we're going to roll the foam roller back towards us, going into a back extension, keeping the spiral, the rotation in the spine, feeling a stretch in the lower left side of the body if you're leaning over to the left. So we're stretching the left internal obliques and sliding it back out. Let's do that again. Lifting up, big stretch, and come back down. Slide the left hand forward, rotate, come all the way up. And let's just do it to the other side. You're just going to take the foam roller, put it on the other side. Again, put the feet up. All right, trying to sit down into the hip. Even as you do this exercise, try not to lift that hip too high up. Take a breath. Slide over to the side, big side bend. And come back up. And again, big stretch, and come back up. And one more time, big stretch, rotate, both hands on the foam roller. Shoulders come back and down, roll the foam roller back towards you, keeping the spiral, the rotation, feeling the stretch here, and come back down. And do that one more time, sliding it up, and come back down. Right hand comes forward, rotate, come all the way up. There we go. And there's our mermaid stretch using the foam roller. Thanks, follow for more.